Hi, my name is Vikendes and this is Caprice 19-foot sailing boat what I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and whatever you want to do, leave a comment below. So, we have to move on. The last time we put this rub rail, stick that, stick those. One thing. So, potential leaks is holes like this on the deck. So let's get rid of this. I think is anchor, holds anchor or something, but I don't need this anymore. Take them off, put some, fill them holes, and yeah, and keep eliminating the potential leaks. It's gonna be easy, right? Or hard way. Grind it. What we want to do as much as hole as possible. What we want to do, get some epoxy and fill it. Right, I might not film the rest of them. Oh, like a glove. Lay off, a little bit force, that'd be good. A bit sanding. We're gonna stick from other side underneath to stop the left pushing in to the hole. And silica. Mix it up very hard to smidge nicely. Smidge. Go in there nicely. And there. Right. Also, I'm gonna put patches on from the other side as well. But for now, stop water constantly coming in. Send this there. Got a couple of holes in here. All done. All filled. And hopefully that's gonna stop water coming in. A little bit there. And yeah, just move on. Happy days. Right, we got this lid to sort it out. It's down there. What we're gonna do, sand it and paint it. And maybe put some seals around. Yeah. So, sand it off, sand the edge. We're going to paint the edge and glue carpet back in the middle. Doesn't matter about the middle. Yeah, not bad. We'll see how we're going to end up. Yeah. So now I just want to sand a little bit this edge. We can just send up to some paint to help to seal it on later on. Obviously need to take that and probably do up to that edge as well. Yeah, let's do it. Seven. So we got this juice. Sand it on it. Hopefully stays on. Oh, it's supposed to be some kind of gel coat. We either put 2 coats or 1 coat. Depends. Right, first coat on. Once it dries, I'll show it a little bit lumpy, but I'm sure it'll be flutter out. Sand it off, give another coat. Hopefully, be fine. So we got lid. We got holes spatched up there. And we got new baby on. Wait for next episode. More news. And as you see, I start sanding one side, other side, getting there. So all sanded, in the dust, with dusty rag. I'm gonna sand it. Got this marine prime undercoat. Bought that car a while ago now. Let's see if it's gonna be enough. Mix it up. So the main key is don't drink night before. You do the straight line.